Have you been wondering what's the best credit cards out there for you right now? There's so many choices, but you have no idea what's the best bang for your bucks, from redeeming points, to free flights, to staying in resorts, hotels, or just getting cash back. Well, in this video, I'll go through the only 5 credit cards you ever need to consider for 2025, both for travel and cashback. The first credit card is the American Express Platinum Card. This card is in the higher tier of the cards we'll be discussing today due to its expensive price. It's mainly targeted towards those who travel often and are looking for travel benefits. The main reason why I have this so high up on my list is because right now, American Express is running a sign-up bonus of 225,000 bonus membership rewards points after spending $5,000 on eligible purchases in the first 3 months. This is the equivalent of up to $4,500 if you transfer to airline partners, or $1,125 if you choose to redeem for gift cards. For example, you can potentially fly return from Sydney to Singapore in business class with this if you convert your points to Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer. And that's exactly why I love having an Amex card. It's because of their points conversion flexibility, where you can transfer Amex points to 12 different airlines. Now, given this is a higher tier card, the annual fee is quite expensive, going at $1,450. But do not worry, because the benefits offset the cost. Firstly, this card gives you $450 annually in travel credits, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and car rentals on the Amex travel website. You will also get $400 in annual global dining credits, $100 hotel credits, $84 per calendar year in Amazon Prime subscription credits. You'll also get unlimited lounge passes and complimentary travel insurance. On an ongoing basis, you earn 2.25 membership rewards points per $1 on all eligible purchases. So overall, I would say it's a great card that offsets its cost by itself if you travel a lot. For those that rarely travel, this next card might be better suited where the value is still jam-packed with very low annual cost. Before we continue, if you guys find this helpful or would like more insights and tips on personal finance, real estate, property, stocks, or crypto, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter in the description down below. The second card on this list is the NAB Rewards Platinum Card. This card is a medium tier card which is targeted towards those that enjoy travel benefits and good points earning potentials. The sign-up bonus for this card is up to 80,000 bonus velocity points. And this 80,000 points is divided into 2 portions, where you first receive 60,000 velocity points when you spend a minimum of $1,000 on eligible purchases within the first 60 days of account opening, and an additional 20,000 points after your second year annual fee is billed. With 80,000 velocity points, you can convert them to up to $1,600 in flights, such as a return business class flight from Sydney to Perth, or $640 if you choose to redeem in gift cards. The annual fee for this card is only $95 for the first year and $195 ongoing after that. So you can see the benefits from the sign-up bonus alone can offset the cost of this card for years to come. In terms of points earn rate, you earn 1 NAB rewards points for every $1 you spend on eligible everyday spend, and 1.5 NAB rewards points per $1 at eligible grocery stores. So if you're someone who cooks a lot at home and buy groceries often and enjoy traveling now and then, this is the card for you. The third card on our list is the Westpac Altitude Rewards Platinum Credit Card, and it's a great card if you travel here and there. As a sign-up bonus, you're getting 120,000 Altitude Rewards points, so 90,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 on eligible purchases within 90 days, and an additional 30,000 points if you keep your account open for more than 12 months and continue to use the card. That's the equivalent of $1,300 in flights, such as a one-way business class flight from Sydney to Perth, or $552 in gift cards. The annual fee for this card is on the lower end, being at $99 for the first year and $175 after. However, similar to the previous cards, the benefits from the sign-up bonus alone can offset the cost of this card for years to come. This card does come with overseas travel insurance and earn you points at the rate of 1 altitude point per $1 spent on everyday spend and 2 altitude points per $1 spent overseas. The next card on our list is the ANZ Frequent Flyer Black Credit Card. This is one of the most competitive Qantas cards in the market right now, and I myself used to have one in the past, so you can't really go wrong with this one. The sign-up bonus is 130,000 Qantas points plus $200 back to your new credit card. You will receive 90,000 points when you spend $5,000 on eligible purchases in the first 3 months, and the other $40,000 points when you keep your card open for over 12 months. 130,000 Qantas points is the equivalent of up to $2,500 in flights, such as a one-way premium economy flight from Sydney to LA, or $500 in gift cards. This card is a bit more expensive in terms of annual fee, standing at $425. However, you are getting $200 cash back straight away when you sign up, so that's almost half back. Plus, the big chunk of Qantas points makes this more than worth it. Besides the sign-up bonus, you're also getting 2 Qantas Club lounge access passes per year, discounted first-year Qantas Club membership, and also complimentary travel insurance. The points earning on this card is also quite generous, with a decent monthly point cap. You can earn 1 Qantas point per $1 spent on eligible purchases, up to $7,500 per statement period, then 0.5 Qantas points beyond. The last but not the least is the American Express Explorer credit card. This is a very good option if you travel once or twice a year, since the travel perks it gives highly outweighs the cost, regardless of the sign-up bonus. Speaking about sign-up bonus, they are offering 100,000 bonus membership rewards points when you spend $4,000 on eligible purchases within the first 3 months. For your comparison, that's the equivalent of a one-way business class flight from Australia to Europe or the US, after transferring through a few airlines, of course. Alternatively, you can also get gift cards at around $500. This card's annual fee is among the high ends in our list, but the ongoing benefits more than offset this cost. With the American Express Explorer credit card, you're getting $400 in travel credit every year on the Amex travel website and can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and car rentals. The card also includes up to $100 credit when you book a stay of 2 consecutive nights with the Hotel Collection, free access to the Centurion Lounge at Sydney or Melbourne Airport twice a year, complimentary Hilton Honors Silver status, and included insurances such as smartphone screen cover, travel insurance, card refund, and purchase cover. All of this is at least worth $600. That does not even include the points earning you get. With this card, you're getting 2 membership rewards points per $1 on all purchases except government bodies expenses, where you earn only 1 point per $1 spent. Well, there you have it. Do let me know what you think about this issue in the comment section down below. And if you want to see further insights about personal finance, the market of real estate, crypto and stocks, and the cycle, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter and my channel, because I'll be revealing the rest of my findings very soon.